Hello and welcome to the Smart Lab Architect lab tutorial. Come inside. We are here in a laboratory that we're just putting together, and I want to show you the fume hoods, the safety cabinets, and how these things are assembled together. So what we have here is a freshly assembled walk-in fume hood or fume cupboard. So the beauty about this is you can pull it all up. You can literally walk inside, but the cool thing is you can actually build larger constructions here, larger experiments, and everything that happens in here, every fire you do, will be sucked out. Inside, if you come around, you do actually have here these side panels. This is where you then connect your different gases that you have in place here. You have power connectors in here, and that is a little sleeve. So here I can push cables through. Because in this setup, on that, in the middle, you put a big rack and you can have analytics machines and all sorts of things that don't have to live in the fume hood. They can be here, you put the cables and pipes and these little hose, and that's how you run. Right now it's not yet powered up, so the power cable that you see here, this comes from the top. And that's important when you're setting up the power cable. Just that one cable has to be hanging there, so when Waldner or another fume hood builder comes in, they grab the cable and they push it through, so the electrician can then just come the next day and plug it in, and off we go. On here we have the more regular fume hood. It's a tabletop fume hood, and same working principle. There's going to be a connection to the ventilation that's built after it's set up. And here you have again your gases and power supplies. You can always have here the plugs. With this thing here, you turn it on once it's connected, and then you will have power over there. Here you have the external control, you have more power plugs here, and on that side here, you control the gases. So you control everything from outside when you're safe, because this machine is meant to protect you as the lab user from anything dangerous happening inside. So it's a personal protection device as well. In contrast to, for example, biosafety cabinets that we'll show you in another video, these ones are mostly there to protect the probe, and it's simply a different setting and use case. That's the fume hood. Thank you very much.